how to deposit money crypto on crypto.com exchange. Now, whether it is fiat currency or cryptocurrency that you want to deposit on crypto.com, the process is pretty much the same. First of all, make sure you've downloaded the crypto.com app and just go ahead and then make sure to launch it. Once you launch the crypto.com app, this is the type of interface that you should be able to see. Now, at the very top, you can see this option that says transfer. You simply have to click on the transfer icon there. When you click on that transfer icon, from the bottom you can see deposit or withdraw. We're trying to deposit it, so we'll just click on the option that says deposit right here. And when you go to the deposit option, we have the option to either deposit a cryptocurrency or a fiat address. Now, if you want to deposit cryptocurrency, you'll find a deposit address where you can choose to deposit it. If you want to deposit fiat currency, which means real money, after you click on the fiat option, you'll be redirected to a page where you can enter your credentials of your payment method that you want to withdraw from or deposit from. Then from that on, you'll be able to deposit money on crypto.com. This way you'll be able to deposit money on crypto.com exchange. I hope the video helped you. If you have got any further questions, feel free to leave them down below. Thanks for watching till the very end of this tutorial, and see you soon in the next video.